The charming ways of women often leave men in awe and wonder. In this video, we're going to explore 9 admirable things that women do, which have the power to make men fall head over heels in love. But before we get started, ladies, are you ready to make him completely devoted to you? So here are 9 cute things women do that men love. Number 1. The real smile. A woman's genuine smile is like magic. It can light up a room and touch a man's heart. It's warm and happy, and it can instantly make a man feel good. It's like sharing a special connection. A real smile is more than just moving your face. It shows that you're genuinely happy and comfortable. When a woman smiles from the heart, it means she's happy and enjoys being around someone. When a man sees a real smile, it makes him feel wonderful. It helps him forget his worries and reminds him of the beauty of life. A true smile is like saying, "You can trust me." It's a kind gesture that shows you're open to getting closer. The smile tells the man that you appreciate him for who he is. When you share a genuine smile, it makes the man feel good around you, and it warms his heart too. The smile creates memories of love that will stay with both of you forever. So ladies, remember how powerful your real smiles are. Let your inner happiness shine and brighten the world. Your smile can touch a man's heart and create beautiful moments. Number 2. Sweet text messages. Sending sweet texts can make a man's heart melt and show him how much you care. When you send a thoughtful message, it makes him feel special and loved. It can turn his day around and bring a smile to his face. Sending a nice text tells him that you're thinking about him, even when you're busy. Sweet texts bring you closer and remind you of your strong feelings for each other. These messages aren't just words. They're reminders of your strong connection. These messages can help make their relationship better and make them feel safe and happy together. In a busy world, getting a sweet text can make a man feel relaxed and in love. He looks forward to more messages and the kind words from the woman he loves. Even if they're far away, sweet texts can help keep their love strong. The text reminds the man that he's not alone, no matter how far apart they are. To all women who send sweet texts, keep doing it. Your messages make your man's heart happy, brighten his day, and bring you closer together. They are a great way to show how much love you have in your heart for him. Number 3. Surprise hugs. There's a special kind of joy in unexpected hugs from a woman that makes a man's heart brim with happiness and love. When a lady embraces her man out of the blue, it's a display of their intimacy and genuine care for each other. That hug instantly rekindles their love and sets a positive tone for even the toughest days, turning them into brighter moments. It's a heartwarming gesture that can bring a smile to his face. The warmth of that sudden embrace wraps around him like a protective cocoon, making him feel cherished and secure. Those surprise hugs become cherished memories, filling him with delight and nostalgia for their unique bond. Number 4. Wearing his clothes. Draping herself in her man's clothing brings a woman incredibly close to him. It's more than just wearing fabric. It's about feeling the profound connection they share. Slipping into his clothes envelops her in a sense of comfort, a gentle reminder of the affection that binds them. Each piece she wears holds not just the garment itself, but also the love and shared moments they've amassed. This simple act evokes a deep feeling of being loved and intimately connected to him. Seeing his partner in his attire fills a man with pride and delight. He understands that she feels secure and at ease with him, a testament to the depth of their caring bond. It rekindles their love story, emphasizing the life they've built together. This gesture showcases a blend of strength and tenderness, magnifying the specialness of their love. She becomes a part of his world, an embodiment of their shared journey as she adorns herself in his garments. This act is a treasured memory that highlights their love and intertwined lives. Number 5. Genuine laughter at his jokes. When a woman truly laughs at her partner's jokes, it's a heartwarming moment that uplifts his spirit and amplifies his humor. Her laughter becomes a radiant display of how much joy his words bring her. This shared laughter fortifies their connection and encourages him to share more of his witty anecdotes. Knowing he can make her genuinely happy with his humor fills him with a sense of accomplishment, deepening their bond. Her sincere laughter is a beautiful way of expressing her affection and the value she places on him. It's a silent declaration of her love and appreciation, a testament to their unique chemistry that words alone can't convey. Number 6. Tender forehead kisses. The soft touch of a kiss upon a man's forehead carries a profound message of love, tenderness, and protection. As her lips delicately meet his forehead, she wraps him in a cocoon of affection. It's a gesture that speaks volumes, conveying care and a deep connection. This kiss goes beyond physical attraction, representing a bond rich with emotion and an earnest desire to provide comfort. It's a reassurance that he's cherished and treasured, a promise that she'll always stand by his side. Within that gentle kiss, she weaves a sense of security, assuring him that he's sheltered and loved within her embrace. This act resonates with a feeling of being valued, reminding him of the intimacy they share and the depth of their emotional proximity. Her tender forehead kisses possess the power to touch the core of his being, leaving an indelible mark of warmth and a profound sense of adoration. It symbolizes trust, unwavering support, and love, cementing the foundation of their bond. Number 7. Caring for pets. Oola's kindness and affection towards pets speak volumes about her nurturing nature. Men find this endearing, seeing it as a reflection of her big heart. Watching her interact with and care for animals ignites the thought that she possesses the qualities of a good caregiver for a family. Her genuine love for animals brings men closer to her, as it showcases an endearing facet of her personality. Number 8. Blushing beauty. The sight of a lady's blushing cheeks is undeniably charming. It's a testament to her authenticity and fearlessness in showing her true emotions. Men appreciate this vulnerability, as blushing unveils her genuine feelings. In those moments, her natural beauty shines, capturing hearts effortlessly. Blushing becomes a simple yet powerful way of expressing love and forging closer connections. Number 9. Fragrance of her perfume. Oola's unique scent has the power to evoke strong emotions and memories. It leaves an indelible impact on the men she holds dear. Her fragrance intertwines with her presence, creating a distinct and special sensation. It's a glimpse into her essence, a trigger for cherished recollections of shared moments. Their bond deepens, strengthened by the lingering aroma of her perfume. Her scent becomes a comforting reminder of her, etching an impression upon his heart. Love, a masterpiece painted with sweet moments and gestures, takes shape in numerous beautiful forms. In this presentation, we've explored 9 endearing gestures that women employ to reveal the depth of their love. By being themselves and performing these delightful acts, women cultivate strong connections and nurture beautiful relationships that stand the test of time. Thank you for joining us. Until the next video, take care.